Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more creative, innovative, popular and unique educational videos on machine learning using Python. I have been struggling a lot for a few months using machine learning. I have done a lot of videos on face detection and face recognition using OpenCV, then using fear library, then using deface library, then using face recognition and this thing using MTCNN, then we see Stimulite, then DLIB, then from webcam and many more. A VGG phase 2 model, lot of videos on VGG phase 2 model and many more on machine learning. But today's video I will be showing you in different style with face detection from image, face detection from image, face detection from webcam and face detection from video. So first of all we will see face detection using first of all we'll see face detection using image. We can see here this file. Here I have taken image people.jpg. I will show you that image, input output, this people.jpg. This is the image. Now I will be performing detection on all these faces. I will execute the program. Yes, fine. We can see here. Yes. So face detection from image has been done successfully. Now we will go through face detection from webcam. So MTCNN, then live. So I will execute the program. Yes, fine. Face detection has been done, very fine. Yes, fine. Okay, now face detection from the video. Let us see. Then we can see here, this is the video. This is the video of different persons and this. Now I will be performing face detection from this video. Yes, fine. Now it will be counting the number of images, faces which have been detected. So please be patient to watch this video till the end. I will be showing you a different style of face detection. I have performed face detection using image, I have performed face detection using webcam, and I will be performing face detection using video. So please watch the video till the end. I have done face detection really different style. I never done this before about face detection. I have done a lot of videos on face detection using fear library, using deface library with different types of emotions. Also I have done face recognition. Yes, and I have done face detection using MTCNN also, 1 or 2 videos, not more than that. I have done face detection using VGG phase 2 model also, face match, then celebrity face match, face detection. We have done celebrity face detection using VGG phase 2 model also. And using Stimulite also I have done a lot of videos on face detection using webcam and attendance system. I really struggled for attendance system videos. I have done a lot of videos on attendance system, my favorite topic. And supervised and unsupervised learning, lot of videos. Yes, fine. And I've been thinking of that one or two videos on web development, the burning topics of today's era. So I'm trying to do some videos on web development using Python. So please be patient. I will be back with web development using Python and MongoDB. I like MongoDB. So I done one video on MongoDB which is flourishing very fast. So if you have not watched that video, you can watch after this video. My MongoDB architecture video was really fine, and I done some videos on educational videos on IoT also I done, and a lot of the videos I have done on. So I hope this detection has been completed. Now it will be complete. Yes, fine. Please be patient. Now it is detecting the number of faces from the video. Yes, it is complete. Now we will see the output here, demo AVI. Yes, you can see the number of faces has been detected very fast, and this thing. So I successfully done with face detection using MTCNN with image, webcam and video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on face detection and MTCNN and VGG phase 2 and Keras, TensorFlow, and if possible VGG phase 2. So for latest update about machine learning, keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.